Oh, there you go. Oh, it's stuck to the wall. Shoot it! Yeah, you got her!
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe and turn notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Today we'll be making marshmallow guns. So let's get started.
Okay, so the materials that you will need are PVC pipe. That's what that white pipe is. And everything is 1/2 inch. So you have two T-joints, they're 1/2 inch, two 90-degree elbows, 1/2 inch, and then some 1/2 inch caps. And of course you're gonna need the mini marshmallows so they'll fit in there. And then also you're gonna need this pipe right here. I'm gonna have to cut it here in a second, but you're gonna need one 7-inch, one 5-inch, and then 5 3-inches. So we're gonna cut it right now and show you.
Okay.
All right, so you're gonna have to measure the pipe because, like I said, you need a 7-inch, 5-inch, and 3-inch. So go get your tape measure right there and let's measure it out.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, so bring it out to 7 inches.
So Callie,
Turn it over and find the 7 inches.
Callie holds
Can you find it?
this.
No, you gotta.
Callie holds that.
No. So hold this end down here, down there. Nope. No. Julie, that end you're holding needs to come down here, right here.
Oh, so I hold
Yes, like that. Now go to the number 7.
7. You passed it.
Okay, 7 inches right there. Okay, and that's where we're gonna cut. So right here.
So
grab your little cutty thing. Move. You don't need the tape measure after you have it cut. Okay, it looks like you're struggling, so I'm gonna help you.
Please. I can do it.
Julie, maybe can you hold it here for me? Okay.
Really cool. Okay, fine. Oh, well.
Why don't you see how there's like little flakes on here? Why don't you guys get right here where all the other flakes are and kind of brush them off?
Okay.
It's a lot of work. Well, since we're gonna make 2 guns because I have enough stuff for 2 guns.
Almost 3.
So
But
I
look
need
how long that is.
I need to cut some more. All right, well, after you're done measuring and cutting, this is what it should look like. As you can see, there's one 7-inch, one 5-inch, and 5 3-inches right here. All right, well, let's assemble it.
Now from all our tired work, we finally finished it. So we assembled it, so let's look at it.
Okay, so this is how you're gonna put it together. We haven't put it together yet, as you can see, but maybe you can pause the video and this will show you a picture of how it's supposed to go. All right, let's put it together and maybe have some wars. How's that sound? Who's gonna win?
Sounds good. Me! I'm gonna win!
No, I think you guys are gonna take 2nd place and 3rd place, and yours truly is going to take 1st place.
Who? I'm gonna take 2nd place. I'm totally gonna take 2nd place.
Why would you want to go for 2nd place? Go for 1st place.
I'm 1st place.
Well, you gotta win first.
Okay, let's assemble it.
Okay, Julie.
What?
All right, get out and assemble yours. Make yours look like Jenny's, okay?
3, 2, 1.
Assemble! And Jenny's in the lead. Just by a hair. Is Julie gonna catch up? Oh no, she has a little slip. Maybe if Dad was doing it, he would get 1st place. All right, and it looks like a good competition. Let's see who's gonna win. And Jenny's still winning just by a landslide, it looks like. All right, I think Julie's mixed it up. Is she gonna get it? I don't know. Is she gonna get it? Is the pressure gonna... Oh no, Julie! You almost done. Get the cap on.
Done.
What? Oh! Record time. Yeah, you gotta get all the fuzzies off. That's why I told you guys should have been working on the fuzzies.
How do you do this?
Make sure they're in tight, otherwise it's gonna fall apart. Is it in tight?
Dad, I can't see.
Dad. You didn't put it on right. Let me see. Yeah, you didn't put it on right.
How do I
Pretty close. Yours looks like a different gun. Yours looks like a rifle.
Okay, guys. Now that we made our guns, let's make targets. I'm gonna make a cute target.
You're gonna get first place for the cute target. What do you got? You got a point system?
So you see the red is the middle, the black is the 70, and the 90 is the blue, and the 80 is the purple, the 60 is the...
Perfect.
Mine, the middle is 100, the...
You got enough numbers on there?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, let's shoot. Oh, good job. Okay, so Julie's trying to, she's kind of having a hard time, so we had to modify her gun. So we just took off, what did we take off? Jenny, on your gun? See, look, we took off the top part right here and this bottom part, so she's just blowing out of here because it's too much for her.
Listen, when we're practicing.
Oh, you kind of got it, Julie. Just blow harder. Oh, good job. You missed though.
Oh my! It's very...
Julie knows how to eat it really well, but not blow it. Oh, there you go. Oh, it's stuck to the wall. It's like you're using gum. All right, good job. Well, I guess if you can't get it, the best part about it is to eat it, huh? Not a whole handful.
I got it!
You did?
Yeah, did you see it?
So good. You got a powerful gun. Come on, Julie. Blow it. Blow it hard.
Noticing when you stick your...
Oh my gosh. Stop eating them. We're going to run out of them.
I'm low.
Okay, so you can either put it, see where Jenny's putting it? You can put it up there, or you can put it at the end of your gun. Either way.
I'm putting
What do you think's better, Jenny?
Yeah, I need it lower.
Well, no, what do you think's better? Putting the marshmallow up here by your mouth or down here at the end of the gun?
Putting it here is more fun, because it's more challenging.
Oh, okay.
I need to put it lower.
Hey, girls, come here. Come here, girls. No, not that close. Let's go back. Hey, where's Mom? Let's go get her. Let's go, Squirt. Let's go get Mom. Okay, load them up. Get a few. Let's sneak attack her. Go. No, not in there. Try in there. Get her! Shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot it! What? Go, Jenny! Did you shoot it? Yeah, you got her! Woo! All right, now we're grounded for a month. Oh.
This is good.
All right, let's see how powerful they really are. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got you right in the face.
Oh my!
All right, let's see if I can make it all the way up the stairs. Ready? Can you see all the way up the stairs?
Yeah.
Boom. Ooh,
Yay!
hit the doorknob. Really, you don't even have to make a gun. You can just get the PVC pipe, the extra one, and put one in there and use that as a gun. All right, ready, aim, fire. Good job.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll catch you back on our next video.
Oh. Okay, bye.